In front of me is Denver SDQ-52001G, and let me show you how to activate spell check on the following device. So first of all, we have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now click on System, go to Languages and Input, click on Virtual Keyboard, then select the Gboard, and now go to Text Correction. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and here you will notice spell check. So if you would like to mark misspelled words while typing, just click here, and now this feature is active. Obviously, if you would like to get rid of this feature, if you would like to switch off this tool, open the same menu and then click here to deactivate it. And this is it. This is how you can customize spell check in your Denver. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.